Carter BloodCare is in critical need for O-negative donors following last weekend's deadly tornado outbreak in North Texas. According to the National Weather Service, 4 confirmed tornadoes hit across 4 counties late Saturday night. Officials say 7 people were killed and at least 100 were injured. The nonprofit is now urging all eligible donors to roll up their sleeves to help treat those injured from those storms, especially those with the universal blood type O-negative.
And with the recent tornadoes that we had in North Texas over the weekend, put a huge hit on our O-negative inventory. And we're kind of raising that alarm flag that says, hey, we were going into summer, we thought we were okay, and then you never know when tragedy is going to strike and really just kind of deplete our entire inventory. So that's the call this week: is following the holiday, we need those O-neg donors to step up and come out and donate.
And if that interests you, get this: each donation only takes an hour and you can save 3 lives. If you're interested, there are donation centers in Longview and Tyler. Their hours are listed on the website carterbloodcare.org.